Hello everyone, this is Amit. Welcome to Notepad++ tips and tricks. Today we are going to learn how we can change font size in Notepad++. Now there are many ways to change the font sizes, but we'll look into two ways. One is how we can change the font size temporarily or on the fly, and we'll also learn how we can change the font size in Notepad++ permanently. So let's take a look at one of the HTML file that I have. Now this is a fairly long or not very long HTML file, and let's say I would like to zoom in to a particular piece of code, so I can actually look at the particular text little more clearly, or if I want to look at the overall view, then I can zoom out. And so how can we change the font size on the fly? So the very first way is from the view menu. And so if you go to the view menu on the top and go to zoom, and there's an option to zoom in, zoom out, and default zoom. So as you use zoom in and zoom out, you are not really increasing the font size, but you are zooming into your code, and which will make your text come out a little clearer. And so let's try that. So if I go to view, zoom, and zoom in, as you can see the fonts are getting a little bigger, and if I do the otherwise, it'll go down, right? Now let's go back to this HTML file, and this will be a little more clearer. So you can see it is going up and down. Now, as I said, I'm not changing the font size, but it's just if you have a really large piece of code, it really helps to just quickly, look at the particular piece little bigger or less or smaller, right? So that's the first way you can look from a view and zoom in and zoom out. But it's kind of a tedious, right? I mean, every time if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you just have to go to this menu. So is there a better way to do it? Well, there is one, which is from the toolbar icon. Okay, so let's go back to our HTML file. And if you look at right under the tools, there is a zoom plus and zoom minus, or zoom in and zoom out. And that basically does exactly the same thing as the view menu we're doing. So if you want to quickly zoom in, you can double or click on those, or you can zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. And this would work with any kind of file. I have a Python script, and I can quickly zoom in, quickly zoom out, and it makes it much easier to go through a particular small sample code or code block of a big file, and then you can go zoom out. Now there is another way which is even faster, right? We looked at the view menu, we looked at the toolbar, but there is one even faster, and that is using the combo of mouse and a keyboard. So if you have an external mouse, and if your mouse has a scroll bar or a scroll wheel, you can actually press Control key. So I'm going to write here Control plus scroll wheel, right? So all you have to do is press Control key and then scroll the scroll wheel up or down, and as you go up and down, you can really zoom in and zoom out into the fonts of your text. And this works with pretty much any file that you have in Notepad. And I tend to use this feature all the time when I'm just looking at a particular piece of code. If you are doing some kind of a team meeting, and there might be a time where the screen resolution of your colleague who is sharing his screen is the font looks really tiny. And so you can easily ask them to zoom in and zoom out or increase the fonts. And this makes it so easy. As you can see, I press scroll key and the scroll wheel, control key, and scroll wheel up and down. It really is super fast. And it is irrespective of the length of the file, it works really nice. Now, as I mentioned earlier, these are just a way to temporarily change the fonts. You are not making a permanent changes yet. And so is there a way, for example, let's say you have a really high resolution screen or monitor, and the fonts are always coming out to be really small, and you want to permanently change the font size. So can we do that in Notepad++? Well, there is a way. You can go to Settings, go to Style Configurator, and there are a lot of other options, but right here there's a font size option here. And so I'm going to, because I want to change my font style, default font style, to be a little higher, I will select the default style, and then I can even change the font names, but we are interested in the font size right here. And so I'm going to say, well, just maybe 16. And if I click and save, from now on, anytime I open a new document, the font size will be a 16 pixel or 16 size, whatever it is. And so again, if you go to Settings and go to Style Configurator, and right here font size you can change. Usually 11 seems to be reasonable, 10 or 11, but again it is up to your personal preference to change the font size to whatever your liking is. Make sure that you check this box, default style, and if I open any document from now on, it should be able to have that font size. And so we learned 3 different ways, or actually 4 different ways to change the fonts. 3 of them were just changing it temporarily using a view menu, using a toolbar, which is right here, and also using a mouse and keyboard combo, which is a control and scroll wheel. And we also learned how to change the font size permanently using Settings and Style Configurator. Now, that's about it for this video. If you guys like this video, please click the like button or subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more videos like these. Thank you very much.